So now we have completed our bottlenecked vase. We've trimmed the base, smoothed the surface. There are a few things I'd like to point out now that are important in the preparation for bisque firing. First of all, once we've trimmed it, and it's still leather hard like this, it's the last time where we're going to be able to do any tooling on the pot. So any kinds of designs that involve gouging the clay, you're going to want to do them now. Secondly, any smoothing that you want to do, it's quicker and easier to do it now. If there's bits of slurry left on there, or if there's pieces that you need to clean off the bottom, this is the time to do it. So I'm just going to write my name on the bottom, which I like to do on my pots, and the date. Okay, now drying concerns for this. You want to make sure that the pot dries out uniformly, all the way down. Otherwise we may form some cracks in here and it may have problems. So you may want to take a squirt bottle like this, depending on your climate, and just simply squirt it down, keep it damp, cover it. If you're in a very dry climate, you might want to actually put paper towels onto it. We're in Oregon, like I said, so there isn't so much concern with that. So I can pretty much go ahead and put this on the drying rack. Okay, so now we've completed our bottleneck vase. I do hope you've enjoyed being in my studio. I've certainly enjoyed having you here. Join us again on Expert Village and learn how to throw a variety of different kinds of forms.